goodness, look at this. Oh, my heart. Nice, nice. Guys, I've been trying to get a patty. Finally got one. Welcome to Seaview Gardens. This is where Babe is from.
It's beautiful, eh?
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Great scenery.
God's beauty.
That one beauty got that, eh?
I see the ocean. And towards the ocean. We arrived. Beautiful Jamaica.
Should get a job down here.
No, you shouldn't.
Yeah, that would be more suitable for me, guys. What do y'all think, guys? Should get a job on the boat. Yeah. Move my wife to Jamaica.
Oh.
She's an island body anyway.
Yeah. Jamaica is beautiful for sure. I went in and changed, and now we're just waiting to get checked in. We're all checked in. Now we're gonna go check out the buffet.
Yeah. It's about time. So that's what we have planned today, guys. And yep.
Oh, let's go look at the view. Hold on. I'm so excited the sun is out. Guys, the last time we came, it was raining every day except one. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Oh, my heart is full. So beautiful. This is the RIU in Ocho Rios, Jamaica. So beautiful. So there's the sports bar. Cool. And here's the buffet. Wow, not much salad. Jamaican station. Come on. Yes, I want okra, please, and thank you.
So it's good for you, babe.
Yeah, maybe a couple more.
Slime up the slime.
I love me
Get
some
it all
okra.
in the grind.
Ooh, what's that? Porks? Yeah, I don't like pork. Maybe some chicken. Chicken. Okra and salad. Back and get. There's so much food here. It's so hard to know what to get. What about right there? Yeah. Okra, salad, and chicken. Oh yeah, it's nice. Ooh. Yeah, it's just a small room. Nice. That's all we need for us.
Alright, take care.
Thanks. See ya.
Alright, yeah.
Hot beer, water. Okay. Nice. Oh, let me see the bathroom. Double sink. Okay, go over to that zone. Okay. Nice, 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 nice. She's rolling.
No, it's okay. I was just saying this is our little suite for the rest of 5 days. So yeah, it's nice. It's lovely.
Yeah, they always do a fancy towel.
Yes, stay tuned. More content is just to come.
Okay, guys, this is our first beat.
First night.
Babe looking fly. Oh, I just love the sound of the crickets. What? I love the sound of them crickets. I find the temperature perfect.
It's hot, man. It's really hot.
I don't find it hot. I found it hotter when we came in April.
Really?
Yeah.
time it's different from me. I don't know. And maybe I was happy to get back home.
Maybe. Guys, the struggle is real when it is a buffet. They did so good. Look at me. I'm not gonna eat all this though. It's mostly salad. I did get a piece of pizza. This is fish, curry goat, barbecue chicken, and this is like some kind of beef and some greens. Is it good, babe?
Right.
So, I left so much on my plate. I did not eat it all. I'm full.
They make a funny like yeah, man. You don't have to pay enough. Good.
Nice.
Yeah? Yes.
I really like the fish. So I bought this for $5 Canadian. Woo! Now I can fan you, babe. It's hot. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Look at these crafts. These are is it bamboo stick? Yeah, it's a palm leaf.
Wow, that is so amazing. Very creative.
I make this one today.
Oh, wow.
It's currently making something for us. So.
Oh, you're making something? A bookmark?
A bookmark.
Okay, thank you.
Booker, I didn't. You figure it out. I didn't know what.
A bookmark, because I like for my Bible or.
Okay.
Rose uses a bookmark.
Yeah. Good people, you know. Good people, guys. Can stop and shop or whatsoever. Send the vibe, send the energy. So they have to give us support.
Well, it's a perseverance.
Yeah.
Every second is a new day, so we celebrate life, you know?
Yes.
And what is your name?
Perseverance.
Perseverance. I love that name.
Every second is a new day, so we celebrate life, you know?
Yeah.
Life is a journey, and so we gotta celebrate it. You know? That's a little. I want to do that.
Okay.
Wanted it to stand up.
That's wrong, right? I want to stand when I hold it.
What time you leaving?
Fucking up those things. Where you want to get into the wife?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Guys, I'm going to present this rose to my beautiful baby. And on the behalf of the Edwards family, I just want to say, baby, I appreciate everything you have been doing. You have been honored by your handsome husband. So I'm going to present this rose to you, my lovey, my baby. I'm going to present this rose to you, my lovey. Guys, the guy made this for me and said I should give it to my wife, so
Whatever.
I'm going to present this rose to her. So it's beautiful.
Thank you,
This
babe.
is for you, honey. bought euros all the time, but this one is special because it's natural. Like you have fun.
Cheers. Guys, I've been trying to get a patty. Finally got one.
And their baby's eating a cheese patty. I got cheese, guys, in mine.
Every time we went in Kingston to try to get a patty, they were closed or something.
Ireland boss, I represent for Akeen and Jenn. And you know them YouTube channels, so I tell you no, I send you no, if you go like, share, comment, and subscribe. You know why? It's a winning season. The pass wasn't clear. No tables are turned with about half dozen cheer. You know what I mean?